In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare ClickFunnels and SamCart effectively. Whether you're starting your journey in online marketing or are an experienced entrepreneur, understanding which platform suits your needs can make a significant difference in your business's success. So, let's dive in and explore what each platform offers and how they can serve your goals. First, let's talk about their main purposes. ClickFunnels is a comprehensive sales funnel builder. It provides everything you need to set up, market, and manage your sales funnels from start to finish. On the other hand, SamCart is more specialized, focusing primarily on checkout and cart optimization. This means if your priority is to streamline the checkout process and increase conversions, SamCart might be the right choice for you. Moving on to landing pages, ClickFunnels offers advanced capabilities. It enables you to design, customize, and optimize your landing pages to suit any campaign you might be running. In contrast, SamCart offers landing pages but with limited features. If landing pages with robust tools are essential for your marketing strategy, ClickFunnels could be the better fit. Next, when it comes to creating sales funnels, ClickFunnels excels with full funnel creation incorporated as a core feature of the platform. SamCart, however, does not prioritize full funnel creation. Instead, its features focus more on the checkout experience. If building complete sales funnels is crucial for your business model, ClickFunnels is the way to go. Turning our focus to checkout pages, both platforms offer this feature. ClickFunnels has solid capabilities, but SamCart shines here with a specialized focus on optimizing these pages to maximize conversions. It might be more attractive if checkout page customization is high on your priority list. When it comes to upsells and downsells, both platforms offer strong options. This feature can significantly increase your average order value, and both ClickFunnels and SamCart provide tools to help you take advantage of this. If you're interested in building membership sites, ClickFunnels includes this feature as part of its offering. SamCart has it too, but in a more limited capacity. So, if a robust membership site is what you need, ClickFunnels again might be more suitable. Email marketing is another key consideration. ClickFunnels has built-in email marketing tools, which depend on your plan's level. This can be crucial for seamlessly communicating with your audience. SamCart, however, requires third-party integrations to leverage email marketing, making ClickFunnels potentially less complex for this aspect. Both platforms do offer affiliate management, which can be essential if your business model involves partnership marketing. This enables you to manage and track your affiliates effectively. Course hosting is available with both ClickFunnels and SamCart. If your business involves online courses, neither platform will hold you back in this regard. Ease of use is a critical factor for many users. ClickFunnels presents a moderate learning curve. It's powerful and versatile, but may require some time to master. In contrast, SamCart is known for being more accessible to beginners, making it an attractive option if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use. Lastly, understanding which platform is best for whom can guide your decision. ClickFunnels is ideal for those keen on funnel marketing and lead generation, offering a wide array of tools to power those efforts. SamCart stands out for those whose top priority is optimizing online sales checkouts, with tools tailored to streamline and enhance the checkout experience. I hope this comprehensive comparison makes it clearer for you to choose between ClickFunnels and SamCart based on your business needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.